Tanya Stephens' lifestyle and net worth in 2025. Before diving into the vibrant life and achievements of Tanya Stephens, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this content to stay updated on your favorite reggae artists and their inspiring journeys. Tanya Stephens, born Vivienne Tanya Stephenson on July 2, 1973, in Kingston, Jamaica, is a reggae icon whose influence has resonated globally since the late 1990s. Known for hits like "Ya Na Ready Fi Dis Yet" and "It's a Pity," Stephens has crafted a lifestyle that blends creativity, entrepreneurship, and social consciousness. As of 2025, her net worth is estimated to range between $100,000 and $5 million, reflecting her multifaceted career as a singer, DJ, entrepreneur, and actress. This range, drawn from various sources, underscores the challenges of pinpointing exact figures due to private financial details and varying revenue streams. Her wealth primarily stems from music royalties, live performances, and her label, Tarantula Records, co-founded with Andrew Henton in 2004. Stephens' lifestyle is a testament to her roots and resilience. Raised in St. Mary and St. Anne, Jamaica, with 6 siblings, she attended Zion Hill and Ocho Rios primary schools and St. Mary High. Her early life shaped her grounded yet ambitious persona. By 2025, she balances her Jamaican heritage with a global outlook, having lived in Sweden while recording her 2001 album Sintoxicated. Her travels and experiences abroad have enriched her music, which often tackles social issues like homophobia and women's objectification, earning her praise for lyrical depth. In 2011, she spoke at the University of the West Indies, urging artists to embrace social responsibility, reflecting her commitment to meaningful art. Beyond music, Stephens is a savvy businesswoman. Tarantula Records has been a cornerstone of her career, allowing creative control over her work since 2004. In 2009, she opened H2O, a restaurant in Ocho Rios Coconut Grove Shopping Center, showcasing her entrepreneurial spirit. That same year, she debuted as Nurse Tracy in the CVM TV series Royal Palm Estate, expanding her presence in entertainment. Her 2007 scholarship from Resource Development International to study business management at the University of Sunderland highlights her dedication to personal growth. These ventures contribute to her income, alongside music, though exact earnings remain speculative. Stephens' personal life remains private. As of 2025, she is reportedly single, with no public records of recent relationships. She has a daughter, Kelly, born in 1994, and maintains a low-key family life. Her lifestyle merges modesty with influence, living between Jamaica and occasional international stays, reflecting her global fan base. While her net worth varies across estimates, her revenue in 2025 is approximated at $200 to $300, a modest figure compared to her impact, suggesting underreported earnings or conservative spending. Her legacy as a reggae pioneer, blending artistry with activism, continues to inspire.